Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in Gmail step by step. If you no longer need a contact, you can remove it easily using Google Contacts. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Contacts website. Then sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see all of your saved contacts. Find the contact you want to delete, then click the contact's name to open it. Next, click the Delete icon in the top right corner. A confirmation message will appear. Click Delete again to confirm. The contact will now be removed from your Google Contacts and Gmail account. And that's it. You successfully deleted contacts in Gmail. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.